Hello everyone. I Bhagya NP, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In this class, I am going to solve some problems about the bomb calorie meter. So let us start with the first problem. So what is that first problem? The problem is on burning 0.96 grams of solid fuel in a bomb calorimeter, the temperature of 3500 grams of water increased by 2.7 degrees Celsius. The water equivalent of calorimeter and the latent heat of steam are 385 grams and 587 calories per gram respectively. If the fuel contains 5% hydrogen, calculate its GCV and NCV. GCV means gross calorific value, NCV means net calorific value. So let us start with the problem. So how to calculate the GCV? The formula is W1 plus W2 into delta T into S divided by M kilojoule per kg. What is W1? W1 is a amount of water present in the calorimeter. W2 is the water equivalent of calorimeter. Delta T is difference in the temperature, that is final and initial temperature. S is specific heat of water and the M is mass of fuel. So in the given problem, all the data is clearly given. Then substitute those data. W1 is amount of water present in that. So what is that value? 3500. W2 is water equivalent of calorimeter, that is 385. And rise in temperature, delta T is 2.7 and the specific heat of water is 4.187 divided by mass of fuel is 0.96. So when you go for doing the calculation, GCV is coming as 45,749.517 kilojoule per kg. And here, one more important thing we have to note down that W1, W2 and the mass, everything should be in a SI unit, either in a kg or a gram. So here, all the weights are in terms of gram, so no need to convert into a kg. So if you convert also, all the terms get cancelled because of the numerator and denominator. So this is a GCV value. So how to calculate NCV from the GCV? The formula is NCV is equal to GCV minus 0.01 into percentage of hydrogen into latent heat of steam. So substitute all the values. So GCV value is already we have calculated, minus of 0.01. Percentage of hydrogen is also given in the problem, and latent heat of steam is 587 calories per gram is given. So that we have to convert into SI unit. So that can be done by multiplying with the 4.187. So on calculation, so we are going to get 44,643.527 kilojoule per kg. This is a NCV value. So in this way, we have to solve this problem. So now we'll move on to the second problem. So the second problem is also same. So the solid fuel weighing 0.98 gram and containing 90% carbon, 80% hydrogen gave the following results in the bomb calorimeter experiment. All the data is given in this. Amount of water taken is 1450 gram. Water equivalent of calorimeter is 450 gram. Rise in temperature is given 1.8 degrees Celsius. Specific heat of water is given 4.187 kilojoule per kg. Latent heat of steam is given 587 into 4.187. So here we have to calculate GCV and NCV. So how to calculate? First, we have to note down that GCV equation, then substitute the respective values, then you go for doing the calculation. So what is W1? Amount of water in the calorimeter, 1450 substituted, and W2 is water equivalent of calorimeter, 450 substituted. Delta T is difference in the temperature, 1.8. S is specific heat, it's clearly given, 4.187, and the mass of the fuel is 0.98 gram. So on calculation, we are going to get 14,611.77 kilojoule per kg as a GCV value. Then how to calculate NCV? NCV is calculated by using this formula. Then after that, substitute all the values. GCV is already we have calculated minus 0.09 is a constant term into percentage of hydrogen in this problem is 8% into latent heat of steam is given 587 into 4.187. So in this problem, no need to convert into kilojoule per kg. They already given the values. So on calculation, so we are going to get 12,842.17 kilojoule per kg. So in this way, we can calculate GCV and NCV value of the fuel using bomb calorimeter. So that's all about the today's class problems. Thank you.